Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cookware for gas stove. So let's get started. Number 7. All-Clad 700,492 MC2. It's expensive and the set doesn't include a good range of pieces. But there's something that I can guarantee you 100%, this set will last forever. And if it doesn't, well, at least it comes with a lifetime warranty. The body is pure stainless steel. The interior has a matte finish and the exterior has a brushed texturized finish. This stands out the appealing look of the set. It looks classy and professional. The pans have a core aluminum that distributes heat evenly. The set is suitable with all cooking methods except induction. The package claims that it's dishwasher safe, but some consumers have reported some discoloration spots on the exterior surface after using dishwasher. Number 6. Cook's Standard 11-piece cookware set. If your budget can afford the All-Clad Master Chef, but you definitely want a set of stainless steel, I highly recommend you to look over the Cook's Standard cookware set. It is a high-end set with the price of a medium gamma set. What else could you ask for? One of the features that I like of this set of pans is the technology called impact bonding that provides an evenly heating on the bottom of the pan. This is because they put an aluminum disc on the base of every piece of the set that retains and distribute the heat from the flames. For that reason, it's perfect for a gas stove. Also, the cooking performance is flawless. The range of pots and pans is good. The set contains sauté pans, frying pans and stock pot. Number 5. Cuisinart Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard Anodized. This set is made of hard anodized aluminum that is more resistant than stainless steel, and it's less susceptible to scratches. These kinds of pans have a rough exterior that I wouldn't recommend for ceramic glass stoves, but for a gas stove it is just perfect. Another feature that I really like about this set is that the aluminum core is designed to heat up quickly. As I said at the beginning of the article, gas stoves aren't energy efficient, but with this set you can reduce the time it normally takes to heat a pan on a flame. The interior of these pans isn't less interesting, because it is made of quantanium non-stick reinforced with titanium. This is not a common coating. The first I have to say is that it's non-stick and does its works. Number 4. Anolon Advanced Cookware Set. Here it is another hard anodized set that makes it the most endurable of the market. What I adore of this set is the look. Most of hard anodized sets are boring and usually black. The bright and funny color palettes are reserved for ceramic. But this set is the exception. The color is a spectacular and elegant bronze. It matches with the soft handles in a light brown. The range of pieces is good. The handles are soft at touch, but this doesn't mean they aren't oven safe. The handles can stand up to 400 F. Number 3. GreenPan Rio 12 PC Ceramic Nonstick. For those like me who love the ceramic sets, not everything is lost. This is my all-time favorite. The GreenPan Rio mixes the best of two worlds. It has the roughness of a hard anodized body and the non-stick properties and safety of ceramic. It has all that you are looking for in a professional set of pans. The pans are dishwasher safe and oven safe. The internal coating is thermalin non-stick ceramic, which I've mentioned millions of times here at the Cookware Geek as one of the top-class ceramic technology. There is nothing that I don't like about this type of ceramic and this set in general. Number 2. T-fal C836SD. This 13-piece set has all the pieces needed for essential everyday cooking. All the pieces are made of stainless steel that retains its quality, assuring that the pieces will still have that sleek, beautiful look for years to come. All pieces in the set have a multi-layered bottom. This means that within the steel base of the pan is a thick-gauge aluminum core with a copper disc that prevents warping and eliminates hot spots, which are one of the biggest problems I've encountered when cooking with a gas stove. Because of its multi-layered base, heat distribution on the pan is always perfect. Aside from having great heat distribution and a sleek look, all the pieces in the T-fal cookware set are dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 400. This allows a lot of versatility with the pieces in the set. Number 1. Viking 5-ply hard stainless cookware. This is one of the best stainless steel cookware set on the market. All the pieces of this set except the fry pans have this neat little detail, interior capacity markings. This makes it so much easier to measure the volume of your ingredients. These marks make the sometimes tedious task of making soup so much more convenient. The interior of all pieces is made of 18/8 stainless steel that is non-reactive. This is important when cooking with acidic food like tomatoes or anything with lemon juice or vinegar. The hard anodized exterior of this cooking set has the classic black color. The pieces in this set work very well with gas stoves due to the exterior being extremely durable, and the 4 outer layers of aluminum assure even heat distribution when cooking.